Hello, dear students. Welcome to our online school. Let's start our English lesson. Today our topic is animals. Let's start.
Listen and watch.
Oh, animals, let me see.
Okay.
It's an elephant. It's very big.
Yes, and look, here's a monkey. It's funny.
Oh, a snake.
And look at the big black spider.
That bird is beautiful. And this is a lion.
I like animals.
I like lions.
Sam!
Now let's do the first exercise. Look at the picture and choose the right word. Picture number 1. Do you know what animal it is? Elephant, monkey, bird, spider, or lion? Elephant. Well done. Next picture. Let's see. What is it? Elephant, lion, snake, monkey, or bird? Do you think it's snake? Oops, no. This is a lion. Now it's right. Next picture. Do you know this animal? Spider, monkey, snake, lion, bird. Of course it's monkey. Well done. Next. Let's see. Lion, bird, snake, spider, or elephant? Yes, it's snake. Great. Next picture. Do you know this animal? Is it an elephant, bird, monkey, snake, or spider? Do you think it's spider? No. This is a bird. And the last picture. Let's find the word. Spider, snake, monkey, lion, or elephant? It's spider. Well done. Good. Now let's do another exercise.
Listen and choose.
Number 1.
What's this animal in English?
It's a monkey.
Can you see a picture of a monkey? Do you think this one? No, this is not right.
What's this animal in English?
It's a monkey.
Yes, well done. Now it's correct. Next.
What's this animal in English?
It's a spider.
Can you see a spider? Well done. Number 3.
What's this animal in English?
It's a lion.
Lion. Can you see a picture of a lion? Fantastic. And the last one.
What's this animal in English?
It's a snake.
Here's the snake. Well done. And one more exercise.
Listen and say.
What's this animal in English?
It's a monkey.
What's this animal in English?
It's a snake.
What's this animal in English?
It's a bird.
What's this animal in English?
It's a lion.
What's this animal in English?
It's an elephant.
What's this animal in English?
It's a spider.
Great. Let's watch a video.
Listen and watch. What's this animal?
That's an elephant.
Elephant?
No. Elephant.
Elephant.
It's got a long nose and big ears. It's very big and grey.
Oh, okay. And what's this?
It's a spider.
Is it big?
No, it isn't. It's small and black. It's got 8 legs and small eyes. It can climb.
Look, there's one.
Oh, yes. Be careful.
Now, let's do some grammar.
Listen and watch.
Can you jump?
Yes, I can. I can jump. Look, you can't jump.
I can't jump. It's not fair.
Can you run, Alex?
Yes, I can.
Look, I can drive. I can drive.
No, you can't.
Can you drive?
No, I can't.
Oh, hello again, Alex. You can run. Can you dance?
Yes, I can. La 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 la. What about you? Can you sing and dance?
La 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 la.
Now, let's do an exercise on can and can't.
Listen and match.
Let's look at the pictures first. Picture number 1. I can run. Number 2. I can't drive. Number 3. I can jump. Number 4. I can dance. And the last one. I can't sing. Let's start.
Can you run, Alex?
Yes, I can.
I can run. Well done. Next one.
Can you jump?
Yes, I can.
I can jump. Fantastic. Number 3.
Can you dance?
Yes, I can.
I can dance. Good. Next.
Can you sing?
La 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 la. No, I can't.
I can't sing. And the last one.
Can you drive?
No, I can't.
I can't drive. Great job.
Listen and watch.
I can kick a ball. I can ride a bike. I can swim and I can run. I can't draw. I can't dance and I can't sing.
La 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 la.
I can draw. I can sing and I can dance.
La 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 la.
I can ride a scooter. I can't kick a ball. I can't swim.
Now, let's do an exercise.
Listen and choose.
I can kick a ball. I can ride a bike. I can swim and I can run. I can't draw. I can't dance. And I can't sing.
Now, let's choose yes or no. I can't sing and I can dance. Yes or no? No, he can't sing and he can't dance. Next one. I can swim and I can run. Yes? Yes, well done. Next, I can ride a bike. Can he ride a bike? Yes, he can. And the last one. I can't kick a ball. Can't he kick a ball? No. Well done. Next picture.
I can draw, I can sing, and I can dance. I can ride a scooter. I can't kick a ball. I can't swim.
Let's start. I can sing and I can dance. Yes or no? Yes, she can sing and she can dance. Next. I can't draw. Can't she draw? No, she can't draw. Next. I can ride a scooter. Yes, she can. I can't swim. That's true. Great job. And the last exercise for today.
Listen and choose.
Can you ride a scooter, Pat?
Yes, I can.
I can ride a scooter. Yes or no? Yes. Next.
Can you kick a ball?
No, I can't.
I can't kick a ball. Yes or no? Yes. Next one.
Can you ride a bike?
Yes, I can.
I can ride a bike. Yes. Next.
Can you dance?
No, I can't.
I can dance. Yes or no? No. Next.
Can you swim?
Yes, I can.
Can you draw?
No, I can't.
I can swim. Yes? Yes, well done. I can draw. No. Great job. This is the end of our lesson. Thank you. Goodbye.